Welcome to Buena Ventura Life, Thanksgiving 2019 edition. Today I'm putting together a boat motor cart. It'll hold the motor from the dinghy. It's a 15 horse Yamaha. Fairly light, so I don't need anything expensive or heavy duty. So please enjoy. Okay. Oops, said it again. It's that time of the year where we need to start packing things up. I mean, it's almost December. So right here, that box should contain one engine or rolling engine stand for an outboard motor. So I'm going to open this up and we will see what it is. And then we'll take a look at perhaps the instructions. So, rigging knife. I always carry a rigging knife. Staples. Yeah, okay. So, down deep inside, there we go. That looks like an instruction sheet. It is. Okay, so that's going to be assembled. Let's take we'll take a little break while I find some tools. Basically, it looks like won't be too hard. What's this? Parts pack, busted open, but looks like everything's there. Caster, other caster. These are the front feet. These are bigger and better than I thought they would be. Okay. Frame. I don't know why they have metric everything but standard size for the wheels. Okay. You can watch. Okay, so there you are. Take your picture. And let's see. Ow. More frame. And the fourth wheel. It uses double wheels on the back stand where the uses double wheels on the back stand to make it weight bearing. Okay, more frame. And there's something else down inside. Sorry about the bounce. Cardboard to go. Oh, more goodies. Okay. And the mounting board. We're cool. So, here we are. All the little parts for the stand. And I will be right back. Okay, I went off and I got myself some tools because we don't need that many, but I got them and we're ready to proceed. Dog biscuits. Doesn't. Okay. Well, obviously, we need to do something about these. There's a handy dandy knife. Because of recycling, the plastic will get recycled separate from the cardboard. Okay, those are uprights. And these are the bottoms. Yep. Oh, wow. Cool. They got hand grips on it. Isn't that neat? That is so cool. Okay. So how do we want to put this thing together? What makes most sense? CEF. Yeah, 2 frame C. M8 by 60. Flat washer. Okay. So start the bottom up. Okay, so one of these goes here. Okay, so that's one of these long jobs. One of these. Let's see. Maybe this is all educated guess stuff. That's a long one. Okay. There's a shorter one in there. It's not a great copy. It looks like they're going upward. So what they're doing, they've made a dimple here for the screw head. And then come up through tube. Some washer. They're using lock nuts. Okay, so sorry about the noise. Typical of my life. Give you a little extra excitement while I'm working. This one isn't cooperating either. Oh man. Okay. See, now it's starting to steady up a little tiny bit. Not sure how in the hell they put these things together. Say 2 on each side. See, that's how they say it's going to go. But it has a heck of a lot of axle out there. Oh, I know what the problem is. Ha! Sometimes if you look at the... Oh, we don't have directions. Okay. We have this. Okay. Now, can you read that? See right there? That's what I'm trying to fight and figure out where it goes. You go inside or outside. So go there. Okay, we are going to take a break while I go figure out how this thing goes together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the page on Amazon that I bought it from, and it shows an assembled one. So I'll take a look at that and be right back. This is the result. It's the next day. It's Saturday. It got too dark to video last night. Several things I did find. I just put it together. It's only a few nuts and bolts, and if you have problems putting nuts and bolts together, we need to talk. But overall, for the price, I think it was $55-$60, somewhere in there. It's okay. Fit is poor. They just pile, they had a lot of these long screws in the parts bin. As you can see, that screw is really long. All of these, the only ones that are sort of right are the ones that hold the mount board. It's sturdy. The axle probably came from a go-kart, as long as it is, but it's solid. Overall, the price is right. If I was a commercial vendor, a yard or something, I'd definitely go a lot higher in price than this thing. But it's a purpose. Hold an engine right there. Down here somewhere, I'm gonna just strap on a platform that can hold little pieces, parts, maybe the battery, something else that goes down, can go down in here. The motor itself, it's a short shaft, so it doesn't go all the way to the floor. Yeah, this will work. Next up is a sling for the engine and an engine hoist. Need to stop at Harbor Freight and pick one up there. So I'm okay. This, except for the weird sizes, and actually they use a screw head, but it's shallow. It's a screw head, but very, very shallow, and so it was hard to get a screwdriver in there to hold it while torquing these nuts down. So what I did was I just took a pair of vice grips, channel locks, held the screw head, and then on one of those battery powered impact wrenches, I just drove this nut in. Thank you for watching Buena Ventura Life. I hope you enjoyed this. Please click like and subscribe, and any comments would be helpful. Appreciate it. Enjoy. Thank you.